Welcome to Innoven Foods. I'm Nahida and today I'm bringing you a golden crispy treat straight from the heart of comfort food, Aloo Paratha. Perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner. This paratha is soft inside, crispy outside and filled with flavorful spiced potatoes. Take 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon ghee and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add 1/3 cup of water gradually and knead into a soft dough. Aloo paratha is one of the most popular breakfasts in North India. It was traditionally cooked on clay griddles or tandoors for that smoky flavor. Keep the dough aside to rest. Now for the potato filling. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil, add 2 tablespoons of onion and 1 chopped green chili. Saute briefly, then add 1 grated potato, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon coriander powder. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and cook for 5 minutes until soft and fragrant. Add some fresh coriander leaves and let it cool slightly. Take a portion of dough, roll out into a small roti. Make sure the dough is soft and well rested for easier rolling. Spread the cooked potato filling. Some version even stuff cheese or paneer along with potatoes. You can make a large batch of the stuffing and refrigerate it for busy days. Spread some water around the edges. Place another rolled roti on top and seal it well. Seal the edges tightly to prevent filling from leaking. Now fry on medium heat until golden and crispy on both sides. Use medium heat to get the perfect crisp without burning. Potatoes are rich in fiber, potassium and vitamin C. Whole wheat flour can be used for added nutrition. Green chili and coriander add antioxidant and freshness. Serve it hot with curd, pickle or just enjoy it plain. Did that make your mouth water? Crispy aloo paratha is perfect for a hearty homemade meal. Tell us in the comments how do you like your paratha, with curd, chutney or butter. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Innoven Foods. We would love to know which stuffed paratha should we try next. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cooking.